Welcome to Medullar. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of connecting to your apps and searching with Medullar's AI-powered universal search tool. Let's dive in. Before our first search, we must connect apps to our Medullar account by navigating to the dashboard, which is found by clicking the grid icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. Once in the dashboard, select your apps and sign in using your third-party credentials if required. To enable or disable an app from search, simply toggle the green slider located next to the name and icon of each application. Medullar supports over 60 connectors across public, private, and paid data sources, allowing users to easily mix and match everyday apps that are most relevant to them. We're ready to search. In this example, we're using a natural language query to find budget materials from the last 6 months. Medullar's federated search technology runs a quick query across multiple apps without indexing or storing any data, ensuring your information is safe, secure, and for your eyes only. Once Medullar completes the search, click on any results of interest to view the content in its original location. Filters can be applied on the left pane of the results screen to narrow your search results down by file type, app type, date range, and more. Medullar's search log, located in the bottom right of the results screen, provides additional detail on the search and security protocols. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial on searching with Medullar. We hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. To get the most out of Medullar, we encourage you to check out our other tutorials. Stay tuned and happy searching!